Hello guys, if you are facing the issue for ads limitation placed on your Google AdSense account, guys, today I will be glad to help you guys. I have this plugin which I use to prevent Google ads limitation, guys, and I will help you with this plugin so that even while you are doing Google AdSense arbitrage, you will not be facing Google ads limitation issues on your Google AdSense account, guys. This has really been a problem, especially for people who are doing Google AdSense arbitrage, guys. And as you can see right here, this is one of my account which had been limited the ads, and I managed to fix this issue. I will also give you the method to fix this issue, guys. I'll share the method right at the description area below in this video. Also, I'll share with you the plugin which I install on my WordPress website to prevent this issue from happening, guys. So if you are right there and you plan on doing Google AdSense arbitrage and you have an AdSense WordPress AdSense approved website, do not do Google AdSense arbitrage without this plugin, guys. To get access to this plugin and also to get access to the method to remove Google ads limitation, just check the link at the description area below and you will gain access to it, and I won't charge you anything, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Till in the next video, see you.